Here's a very old Lego set of Harry Potter, and it's from the first movie. It's a very old Lego set. Very old. And I got it from my aunt, and her name is Jackie, and she gave it to me. So here's the review of it. It's a pretty small little Lego set. There's 2 different other ways to make it, but I made it the way the instructions said. Maybe I'll make it a different way and review it the different way. I don't know. I'll see. So let's take the characters out and get a close look at them. Sorry. Where's something hard I can put it on? There. Look at the Harry Potter book behind it. I just take the characters out. Okay, I got the characters out. Here's Harry. As you can see, they have yellow faces, like the old Legos. And it's kind of hard to tell, but on his cape on the inside, there's like stars and circles and planets or something like that. And then we have the troll and his club. Bang, 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 bang. And then let's get a close-up look inside. Well, let's turn it around. And this is what it looks like on the outside. And then there's a key in there. And you can open the door. And the window can be opened too. How do I open the window? Sorry. This thing isn't working for some reason. Like open it. Oh, just forget the window thing. I'll show you another time maybe. If I review this again. This Lego is so not working the way I wanted it to. Anyway, so you got this thing. There's no toilet. Well, how are they going to use the bathroom? Oh, there's a sink. Oh my god. Or maybe this is the toilet and then you just wash your hands. There's a little fire, a little pumpkin, because it was at Halloween. And if you want to know what the blocks are for, let me show you. Wait, let's have a look. Great, now I can't get that back. You might notice my background has a Harry Potter book and 3 action figures from McDonald's. Pokemon action figures. He's dead. All hail Harry. King Harry, King Harry, King Harry, hey. So that's the review. Very short. Most reviews are long. Weird. Guess what this is, and in my next Lego review, you'll find out.